like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, I am Disha. Welcome to my channel DVCraft. Friends, I love all miniature things and I know you also love it. So today we are going to make miniature basket. So let's get started. And if you like my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below. So let's get started. First we will take a paper curve. On that I will draw the line like this way. We will cut this line till this line only. So let's cut this. We have cut these lines. Now do like this way. Press it. Now take wool and wrap the wool around these lines. Let's wrap it. First tie a knot on one strip. And then wrap the wool by leaving one strip like this way. Now tie a knot. And cut the excess thread. Now do it like this way. Now take glue and apply it on this wool. And spread it with fingers. And keep it for drying for some time. It's almost dried up. Now do it like this way. Now I will take wool and glue. Now let's wrap it around this cup. First apply glue on this. And spread it with fingers. Now take wool and wrap it around this cup. Cut the excess thread and stick it. First we will keep this wool and gum aside and cut these remaining strips like this way. And bring it downwards like this way. Let's keep this aside. Now take a small strip and wool and wrap wool around this strip. Let's cut the excess thread. Now let's take glue, a basket and this strip. Now let's take this strip here like this way. Now let's take pom-pom ball. If you want to know how to make pom-pom ball, I have linked the video in the description box, so go and check it. Let's stick this here. And the basket is ready. And a miniature basket is ready. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.